If you've been putting off folding laundry, the reason may be that it feels like a never-ending mountain. But today, I'm going to show you how one basket can actually feel satisfying to tackle. Before we start, if you love cleaning motivation or tips that make chores feel easier, hit like. And if you're new here, consider subscribing so you won't miss more videos like this. And just a quick note, this footage is sped up a bit for pacing and to keep things interesting. But the completion time that I show you at the end is how long it actually took me in real life, start to finish. So here I am, on my living room floor, basket in front of me, hangers ready. And, well, let's just say it's a little chaotic, but manageable. You know, there's something oddly relaxing about sitting down with a pile of laundry. It's like, finally, a task I can control, except socks. Why are socks always rebellious? As I fold, I like to make a stack of shirts as I go. It makes sliding the hangers in much quicker once the pile's ready. Little tricks like that make a basket go from, ugh, to I got this. Do you prefer to fold sitting or standing? I'd love to hear what works best for you. Drop your answer in the comments. If this is motivating you to tackle your own laundry or any other chore, stick with me. And don't forget to subscribe for more Clean With Me videos and cleaning motivation. Let's make these tasks a little more satisfying together. I like to put on a YouTube video while folding. It keeps me entertained and makes the time fly without feeling like work. I just grab what's in front of me and start folding. It could be pants, underwear, socks. There's something nice about keeping it simple and not worrying about the order. As I fold, I like to make small piles in the basket for pants, underwear, and the socks. Seeing those little piles grow feels satisfying, even if it's just a small stack at a time. So recently we've had some really intense storms in Ontario. Thunder, lightning, even a power outage. And after that, it warmed up to around 17 degrees Celsius, which felt like a little reprieve. Now today it's back down to 0, which makes staying in and folding feel cozy in comparison. Folding is repetitive, simple, and somehow calming. Each piece added to a pile feels like progress, even if it's just one small stack at a time. I tend to notice little things as I work. The fabrics, the colors of the clothes, how the pants stack neatly. Those small observations make the task feel a little more mindful and less of a chore. By the time I've finished folding everything, the basket is full and ready to go upstairs. Small wins like this keep me motivated and make the task feel accomplished. And of course, Misty has been supervising this whole process very closely.
Carry on, human.
She keeps walking in and out of the frame like she's checking on my progress, which honestly feels about right for a cat. I'm pretty sure she thinks this entire laundry setup was arranged just for her entertainment. She may not be helping, but moral support counts, and so does looking cute while I work. Her, not me. At this point, I just accept that if I'm doing anything at home, Misty is going to be involved somehow. And honestly, it does make the whole thing a little more fun having a tiny furry coworker nearby. All the shirts have hangers on them and they're ready to put up. Stack looks nice and ready to go. Just a reminder, small steps like this are wins. You don't have to do everything at once. Now I'm just gathering up the last of the socks and getting those paired up. It's always the final little pieces that make it feel like the basket is really coming together. And of course, there's always that one sock that's either missing its match or it's seen better days. I tossed one aside that has a hole in it. I swear socks have the shortest lifespan out of everything in the laundry. They work hard and then one day they just quietly give up. Or it's my son's stinky feet, who knows. But once the socks are paired and stacked, that's usually when it starts to feel like the finish line is actually in sight. Everything's starting to look organized now, and that alone makes the whole task feel more manageable. There's just something satisfying about taking a random pile and turning it into neat little sections that are ready to go where they belong. And now I'm leaving the living room with my folded laundry in hand and heading into my son's room to put it all away. The reward here? An empty basket and a clear spot to put his next load of laundry. Simple, but satisfying. So here's a question for you. Do you like to fold one basket at a time, or do you wait until you have several loads done and fold them all together? I'd love to hear your approach in the comments. This basket took me about 15 minutes from start to finish. Doesn't it feel better to have that put away so you can focus on other chores, or just enjoy having one task off your mind? Thank you so much for watching. I hope this gave you a little boost to tackle your own laundry, or at least reminded you that small steps matter. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. From my little nest to yours, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.